In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a watermark in Canva. So adding a watermark to your images is a great way to protect your work from being copyrighted, and we can effectively do this in two simple ways. Now, the first method of doing this is just opening your photo in Canva and then selecting text in the left-hand navigation. Then what you can do is select one of these text styles to use as your watermark. So I'm going to drag in this heading one here to the middle of the page, and then just go and type in what you want your watermark to say. So it could say your name or your company's name. For this demonstration, I'm just going to write watermark. And now what we're going to do is resize this so it's a little bit bigger, and we can position this to where we want it placed on the screen. Now, I'd also recommend picking a color that kind of offsets the background. So usually white is always a good one to choose. And you also may want to consider changing the font as well. So I'm going to select this Anton text over here. And now in order to make this watermark more subtle, we're going to have to reduce the opacity. Now to do this, click on transparency in the top navigation, and then you can just start reducing the transparency of this text watermark. Now I'm going to set mine at around about 20%, and you may also want to place this throughout the photo, in which case you can just right click on the text layer, click on duplicate, and then you can make multiple versions of this throughout your photo to stop people from stealing it. So that's the first method of creating watermarks. The second method is by using an image or logo. So click on uploads in the left-hand side, and then what you can do is upload your company logo. Now, once you've uploaded your image or logo, we can simply drag this over to the timeline, and you also probably want to make sure it has a transparent background like this. Now we can simply resize this and place it to where we want on the image. And then just like before, we can reduce this transparency so it's not as obvious on the image, and that's basically a second way of creating watermarks. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.